Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition appears in hands-on shots. What's up guys, I'm back with another Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition video, and the latest Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition leaks is here, and it features the phone in a sleeve hands-on video. The tipster Jimmy is promo managed to get his hands-on device in a cloud navy color and also reconfirmed some of the key specifications of the device. If you look at the images very closely, you will notice that the device is coming with a punch hole camera cutout, and that is even slimmer than the S20 punch hole camera cutouts. It's going to be a flat 6.5-inch of AMOLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. The device in hand is going to be a 5G variant of the device, and probably it is going to be the Snapdragon 865 which is coming. Also, the device is going to be coming with Exynos a 990 processor with a 4G variant. The small cutout in the top half of the display houses the 32 megapixel selfie camera, while the back comes with the 12 megapixel main shooter alongside with an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times of optical zoom, and the third shooter is a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. While the device in hand on the back side is giving us a navy blue color, which means the device is gonna come in that color as well. The back is looking like that the device is going to be coming in a plastic shape just like the Note 20 series. All the specification which has been leaked by Jimmy is a promo has already been leaked by even Blast yesterday, and pretty much same specification are gonna be seen in that particular device. It's coming with a IP68 rating. It's also been supported by One UI 2.5, and there is going to be a 4500 mAh of a battery inside. So the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is launching on September 23, and it's expected to retail around 700 euros in Europe. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the hands-on images which has been leaked? Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.